Article 243D of the Indian Constitution deals with the reservation of seats in panchayats, local government bodies at the village, intermediate, and district levels to ensure representation of scheduled castes, SC, scheduled tribes, ST, and women. Here is a detailed explanation of each clause of Article 243D. Clause 1. Subclause A and B. Seats must be reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in every panchayat. The number of reserved seats should be proportional to the population of SCs and STs in the panchayat area compared to the total population of that area. These reserved seats can be rotated among different constituencies within the panchayat. Clause 2. At least one-third of the seats reserved for SCs and STs under Clause 1 must be reserved for women belonging to these categories. Clause 3. At least one-third of the total number of seats to be filled by direct election in every panchayat must be reserved for women, including the seats reserved for women from SCs and STs. These seats for women can be rotated among different constituencies within the panchayat. Clause 4. The offices of chairpersons in panchayats at all levels, village, intermediate, district, must be reserved for SCs, STs, and women. The number of reserved offices should be proportional to the population of SCs and STs in the state compared to the total population of the state. At least one-third of the total number of offices of chairpersons at each level must be reserved for women. The reserved offices can be rotated among different panchayats at each level. Clause 5. The reservation of seats and offices for SCs, STs, and women, except reservation for women, as described in clauses 1, 2, and 4, will cease to have effect after the expiration of the period specified in Article 334. Clause 6. This clause allows the legislature of a state to make provisions for the reservation of seats in panchayats or offices of chairpersons in favor of backward classes of citizens, in addition to SCs, STs, and women. In summary, Article 243D mandates reservations in panchayats to ensure adequate representation of SCs, STs, women, and potentially other backward classes, with provisions for rotation of these reserved seats and offices to ensure fairness and representation across different constituencies and panchayats. The Constitution of India. Part 9. The Panchayats. Article 243D. Reservation of seats. 1. Seats shall be reserved for A. the scheduled castes, and B. the scheduled tribes in every panchayat, and the number of seats so reserved shall bear, as nearly as may be, the same proportion to the total number of seats to be filled by direct election in that panchayat as the population of the scheduled castes in that panchayat area or of the scheduled tribes in that panchayat area bears to the total population of that area, and such seats may be allotted by rotation to different constituencies in a panchayat. 2. Not less than one-third of the total number of seats reserved under Clause 1 shall be reserved for women belonging to the scheduled castes or, as the case may be, the scheduled tribes. 3. Not less than one-third, including the number of seats reserved for women belonging to the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes, of the total number of seats to be filled by direct election in every panchayat shall be reserved for women, and such seats may be allotted by rotation to different constituencies in a panchayat. 4. The offices of the chairpersons in the panchayats at the village or any other level shall be reserved for the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes and women in such manner as the legislature of a state may, by law, provide, provided that the number of offices of chairpersons reserved for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes in the panchayats at each level in any state shall bear, as nearly as may be, the same proportion to the total number of such offices in the panchayats at each level as the population of the scheduled castes in the state or of the scheduled tribes in the state bears to the total population of the state. Provided further that not less than one-third of the total number of offices of chairpersons in the panchayats at each level shall be reserved for women, provided also that the number of offices reserved under this clause shall be allotted by rotation to different panchayats at each level. 5. The reservation of seats under clauses 1 and 2, and the reservation of offices of chairpersons, other than the reservation for women, under clause 4, shall cease to have effect on the expiration of the period specified in Article 334. 6. Nothing in this part shall prevent the legislature of a state from making any provision for reservation of seats in any panchayat or offices of chairpersons in the panchayats at any level in favor of backward class of citizens.